Don't forget to subscribe and keep the notifications on so you won't miss any new videos. Super Immunity Infusion Tea. When you start feeling like you're getting sick, instead of taking over-the-counter medicine, sometimes just a hot cup of tea is the best solution. Choose this super immune boosting tea to help fight off the bug and keep yourself safe from future ones. Here are 4 super dried herbs you can use in this tea blend. They are elderberries, rosehips, echinacea root, and ginger. Elderberries are a super potent antiviral and an immune system booster. Due to its powerful ability to invoke an immune system response, so elder should not be used by those with any type of autoimmune disease. Rosehips are the round part of the rose flower below the petals. Rosehips help to boost the immune system and are extremely high in vitamin C. Echinacea, also known as coneflower, is a strong but safe immune stimulant that is most effective when taken at the earliest sign of illness or infection. It also has powerful antimicrobial, antifungal, and antibacterial properties. Ginger has powerful anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties. The root is a warming immune system stimulant, relieves nausea and intestinal pain, and is an antispasmodic for digestion. To make this infusion tea, simply use equal amounts of each dried herb. Mix well and store in a glass jar covered with a lid. Use 2 tablespoons of mixed dried herbs per 1 cup, 240 milliliters of water whenever you need that extra boost to your immune system. If you store each dried herb separately, here is the recipe you can use. Recipe: 2 cups of water, 1 tablespoon of dried elderberries, 1 tablespoon dried rosehips, 1 tablespoon dried echinacea root, 1 tablespoon of dried ginger. Instructions: bring the water to a boil and pour over the dried herbs. Let it infuse for 10 to 15 minutes to extract a flavor, then strain out the herbs before drinking. For a stronger tea, put the herbs in a mason jar and add boiling water, then cover and let it infuse for several hours, or you can leave it overnight, then strain out the herbs before drinking. These types of infusions are commonly served cold over ice, but they can be gently warmed if you like to drink a cup of hot tea. If you like the video, please give us a thumbs up and share with your friends and family. For more recipes and tips, please subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.